write down the problem. Find the value of C. Find the value of C if the points 2 0 0 1 4 5 and 0 C are common cyclic. Find the value of C if 2 0 0 1 4 5 and 0 C are common cyclic. Write down. Given points are capital A 2 comma 0, capital B 0 comma 1, capital C 4 comma 5 and capital D 0 comma C. First we calculate equation of the circle passing through these 3 points. Write down. Let S AB be center. Let AB be center. Next, SA equal to SB. This is the circle ABC. SAB be the center. SA equal to SB equal to SC are all equal to radius of the circle. So first take SA equal to SB. We get a relation between A and B. So SA equal to SB. Next, SA square equal to SB square. Distance between SA A minus 2 whole square B minus 0 whole square A minus 0 whole square plus B minus 1 whole square. Expand this one. A square plus 4 minus 4A plus B square equal to A square plus B square plus 1 minus 2B. A square cancel. B square cancel. Bring this one into LHS. 4 minus 4A minus 1 plus 2B equal to 0. Minus 4A plus 2B plus 3 equal to 0. Multiply with minus 4A minus 2B minus 3 equal to 0. This is the first relation between A and B. Minus 4A plus 2B plus 3. Multiply with minus 4A minus 2B minus 3. Next, take SB equal to SC. SB equal to SC. SB A minus 0 whole square B minus 1 whole square equal to 8 minus 4 whole square B minus 5 whole square. So A square plus B square plus 1 minus 2b. Next, a square plus 16 minus 8a, b square plus 25 minus 10b, a square cancel, b square cancel, 1 minus 2b minus 8a becomes 2 plus 8a plus 10b, 16 plus 25, 41 minus 41 equal to 0. Finally, 8a plus 8b minus 40. 8th table, 1, 1, 5 times cancel. A plus b minus 5 equal to 0. This is the second relation between A and B. Next, solve A and B. Solve 1 and 2. So, first equation, minus 2, minus 3, 4, minus 2. Second equation, 1, minus 5, 1, 1. A, B, 1. A by 10 plus 3. B by minus 3 plus 20, 1 by 4 plus 2, 1 by 4 plus 2. Next, A by 13, A by 13, B by 17, 1 by 6. So A value 13 by 6, B value 17 by 6. Therefore, S equal to 13 by 6 comma 17 by 6. This is the center of the circle. Next, calculate radius of the circle. Radius of the circle, that is nothing but R equal to SA under root x2 minus x1, 13 by 2 minus 2 whole square, y2 minus y1 whole square. So this is a 13 minus 12 by 6 whole square, 17 by 6 whole square under root 1 by 36, 289 by 36, 289. So R value, R equal to under root 290 by 36. This is 289. 17 square, 289. So center is this one, radius is this one. So equation of the circle, equation of circle, x minus a whole square, y minus b whole square equal to r square. X minus 13 by 6 whole square, y minus 17 by 6 whole square equal to under root 290 by 36 whole square. Root 2 square cancel. This is the equation of the circle. Given the 4 points are collinear, so substitute D point. Substitute D in above equation. So 0, x value 0 minus 13 by 6 whole square, y minus 17, y value is C, y value, x value 0, y value C whole square equal to 290 by 36. 290 by 36. Next, 13 square 169 by 36. We want C value. 290 by 36. So C minus 17 by 6 whole square equal to 290 by 36 minus 169 by 36 equal to 121 by 36. Remove this square. C minus 17 by 6 120 under root 121 by 36 plus or minus 11 by 6. So C value plus or minus 11 by 6 plus 17 by 6. So C equal to 11 plus 17 by 6 or minus 11 plus 17 by 6. 6 LCM plus 11 plus 17 minus 11 plus 17, 28 by 6 or 6 by 6, that is nothing but 14 by 3 or 1. 14 by 3 or 1.